This video is the quick start guide for the Excel skills sick leave template. The sick leave template enables users to control sick leave by recording sick leave taken, and the template automatically calculates the remaining sick leave days for each employee. Let's start with the setup on the summary sheet. The summary sheet contains a list of all your employees. At the top there's some setup fields, so you enter the sick leave entitlement in days, the duration of the sick leave cycle in months, and then you select whether the sick leave cycle should be a fixed or a rolling basis. So a fixed basis would mean that when the first initial, say it's a 3-year period, expires, a brand new 3-year period would start after that date. Where the rolling period means that if there's a 3-year period which starts on the date of employment, once the first year expires, the oldest, and you after 3 years have elapsed, the oldest year falls away and a new year is added. So 2 years are retained. It's not a brand new 3-year period. So you either have a fixed or a rolling sick leave cycle period. You can also specify any review date. The template is on an ongoing basis. It's not like our annual leave template, which is per calendar year. You just keep on capturing sick leave days, and the template will just keep calculating the days remaining. The columns with yellow column headings contain user input, and the columns with light blue column headings are calculated. So you capture your employee code, employee name, department code if applicable, and the date employed for each of the employees, and then the cycle start date and end date is automatically determined based on your selections and also the date employed. The day's entitlement comes from the sick leave entitlement at the top of the sheet, and then your leave days taken are entered on the leave sheet. So the leave days remaining is then calculated and can be displayed for any date by just entering the review date. So let's have a look at the leave sheet. So the leave sheet, you capture all these details in the columns with yellow column headings, the date of the leave, a form number if applicable, employee code, number of days. In the certificate column, you can indicate whether the employee has provided a certificate for the absence, and you can put a comment next to that as well. You'll also notice at the top of the sheet we have opening balances in the sample data. So you enter your opening balances, if there are any, on the leave sheet. And the employee name, that's automatically populated. So pretty straightforward. Let's go to the monthly sheet. This monthly sheet is automatically calculated based on the employees on the summary sheet and a 12-month period, which is determined based on the review date that's selected on the summary sheet. We've included 50 rows here. So if you go beyond 50 rows, you just copy the last row and paste it into the required number of additional rows. So if you need any further guidance on the leave template, you can just go to the instruction sheet where we provide detailed instructions on every aspect of this template. You can also go to our YouTube channel and look at the support section for additional guidance that's based on user feedback.